I can get your response. I know that Chief Ferguson saying that he felt that there weren't enough consequences for the people they were arresting. If you could just respond to his statements that were made on that topic.
Sure. First of all, the people of this city are rightly frustrated. We are in the middle of a crime surge. It's a national crime surge, and it is certainly affecting us here in Orleans Parish. And the people of the city don't want to hear leaders fighting or bickering. And when the chief says something like catch and release or a revolving door or wanting more accountability, we have to talk about the real facts and the real numbers, which means how many crimes of violence, carjacking, murders, and rapes are being solved, right? It's not enough to just say arrest or up with whether it's marijuana, cocaine, civil possession, crimes of poverty. We have to talk about specificity. People aren't worried about addiction crimes. We're talking about crimes of violence. And when you look at our numbers for carjackings, murders, whether it's prosecutions, whether it is the number of cases we accept, those numbers are on the national standard, right? What we need is for the chief to understand that their role in the criminal legal system does not end in simply arrest. You gotta have evidence in court. Juries demand it, judges demand it, they wanna look for it when they're setting bonds. And it's unfair to point the finger at the 12 judges at criminal district court and the judges at juvenile court, and for him to say, and he knows they can't respond about open cases because of the canons. Judicial canons don't allow that. It is unfair to suggest that they are not doing their job because crime is surging. We need to come up with new strategies, new solutions like we've been trying to do. We've been working very hard to try to partner with the chief for the past several months with our serial crimes initiative, which connects the dots between carjackings throughout the city, with our gang unit to connect crimes occurring on the West Bank and East Bank because of rivaling folks who are shooting at each other and hitting innocent people, with our cold case unit, and with our special grand jury. We've been trying to partner, and we have to partner because this is not 2015. There's a crime surge, which means the criminal legal system needs to surge as well and use the institutional knowledge and muscle memory to come up with real solutions to solve crimes, right? And that's just not happening.